Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see path module. So what does path module do in Node.js? Basically, we use path module to find out the path. Either it can be current path or some directory path or some files path. Okay. So with this module we can get the location of any file or directory. With this, let's start the video. Yes. So as you can see, I have created a file path.js, and let's see the first thing how we can import the path module. Okay. For that, constant path equal to require, and here we can say as it is inbuilt module, we can say this path over here. Okay. And now let's see how to uh, get the current path. Okay. For that, we have to do path dot dir name, okay, and it is a function, and here we have to give the path. Okay, for that we'll say underscore dir name. Okay, this is how it is, and let's run this file, and now you see we are getting the path here. Okay, actually the path is practice app, but we are getting only this directory here. Okay, but what exactly we can do is we have one function called join. Okay, using that we can join our folder basically. Okay, so let's try to do that. So I'll say path.join, and here we can say dir name comma practice app. Okay, and now if I run this, you will see we are getting this twice. Okay, the reason is dir name itself provides till this point. Okay, the current location it will provide, and as we are adding this, it is going to add one more time. So instead of this, let's add something else. I'll say document.txt. So for document path we are going to try to get, so let's see, and we are getting this current path over here. Okay, so using the join, we can basically join the current directory plus the any other file. Okay, so let's say if I want to say one more thing here, instead of here I'll say one more here src, and if I run this, now you see inside practice app src and document.txt. So using the join, we can just join and get a path over here. Okay, this is very helpful when we are trying to do the file system itself. Okay, because there we need to give a path. Okay, so if I go into the path like file system, you will see right now we are directly using this index.js or document.txt, but in the runtime scenario we can't directly say this. We have to give the full path location, because when we deploy our project, the path will be different. Okay, that's the reason we have to do this kind of thing over there. Okay, yes, so this is about the path. There is nothing much into this module. It's just a basic, but the most useful thing is the join, path.join, and the dir name. Okay, this is the thing which we are going to use inside the file system whenever we need that. Okay, so yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.